What's up, Zacchy Crypto Update fam? If you're looking for the real scoop, the insights that cut through the noise, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating trend that could be a huge indicator for the future of one specific altcoin, Kaspa or Kaspa. We're talking about something far more significant than daily price swings. We're looking at holder conviction, and it's hitting all-time highs for Kaspa. What does that really mean for you and for the market? Let's get straight to it. Alright, let's talk about Kaspa. In a crypto market that feels like a roller coaster most days, full of quick pumps, sudden dumps, and everyone chasing the next big thing, Kaspa is showing us something fundamentally different. We're seeing a clear signal of long-term conviction from its holders, and this isn't just a hunch, it's backed by the data. The latest on-chain data shared by Kaspa Daily clearly shows that the amount of inactive Kaspa supply has reached record highs across multiple timeframes. We're talking about coins that haven't moved for 3 months, 6 months, and even a whopping 2 years or more. This is a huge deal. Now, take a look at this chart right here. The blue line represents the percentage of Kaspa's total circulating supply that has remained untouched for over 3 months. And the gray line, that's the Kaspa price over time. What you should immediately notice is how that blue line has been relentlessly climbing. Since late 2023, the percentage of inactive supply has jumped from under 55% to almost 70% by late May 2025. That's a massive shift in holding behavior. So, what's the key takeaway from this chart? Here's the crucial insight. While the Kaspa price, shown by the gray line, has had its typical crypto ups and downs, sometimes volatile, sometimes consolidating, the portion of holders refusing to move their coins is steadily, unequivocally climbing. This tells us one thing loud and clear. More people are choosing to hold, not sell, even when the market gets choppy. And here's the really fascinating part, and why this data stands out. This rise in dormant supply is actually decoupled from price action. What does decoupled mean? It means it's not reacting to the price. Think about it. During sharp price drops like we saw in January and February of 2024, you'd typically expect a wave of selling, right? People panic, they dump their bags, but with Kaspa, the inactive supply either held steady or even increased during those dips. That is incredibly rare in the volatile world of crypto. It signals a deep level of confidence, not just speculative trading. You hear the term diamond hands thrown around a lot in crypto, usually on social media. But this chart right here, this is actual on-chain proof that Kaspa's holder base is behaving like long-term believers, not just short-term trend chasers or speculators looking for a quick flip. This isn't just talk, it's verifiable data from the blockchain itself. So, what does inactive supply at multi-time frame highs actually suggest for Kaspa's future? Let's break it down. First, low selling pressure. This means that early buyers and large holders, often called whales, aren't actively distributing their coins. If they're not selling, that removes a significant amount of potential downward pressure on the price. Second, reduced circulating supply. With more coins locked away, the actual supply available for trading on exchanges is smaller. This is basic economics. If demand for Kaspa increases, even slightly, while the readily available supply is shrinking, what happens? It can be incredibly bullish for the price. And third, a strong, conviction-driven community. This is arguably the most important point. It shows that Kaspa holders see value in the project far beyond just short-term price movements. They believe in the underlying technology, the vision, and the long-term potential. This strong conviction also reflects confidence in Kaspa's ambitious roadmap and its groundbreaking technology. For those new to Kaspa, it's built on a unique BlockDAG architecture and powered by the GHOSTDAG protocol. What does that even mean? Well, unlike traditional linear blockchains like Bitcoin, Kaspa allows for parallel block creation. Think of it like multiple lanes on a superhighway, processing transactions simultaneously, instead of just one single lane. This design enables incredibly fast transaction speeds and high scalability, all while maintaining the security of a proof-of-work network. They're solving the blockchain trilemma, balancing decentralization, security, and scalability in a truly innovative way. This isn't just another altcoin, it's a layer 1 solution aiming to redefine blockchain performance. While many altcoins explode with hype cycles and then fade into obscurity, Kaspa seems to be quietly, diligently building a base of true believers. This isn't about fleeting trends, it's about fundamental belief. This growing dormant supply isn't just a statistic. It's a testament to the strength of the Kaspa community and the perceived long-term value of the Kaspa token. More and more holders are treating Kaspa not just as a trading token to flip for quick profits, but as a long-term asset, something to accumulate and hold for significant future growth. And in a market overflowing with noise, speculation, and short-term thinking, that kind of deep, unwavering conviction might just be Kaspa's single most underrated strength. It suggests a foundation being laid for something much bigger. Keep a close eye on Kaspa, because this holder behavior is a powerful signal. I'm not a financial advisor. All content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only, and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and inherently risky. You could lose all your invested capital. Always do your own thorough research, DYOR, and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for today's deep dive into Kaspa's holder conviction. If you found this analysis valuable, hit that like button, share this video with your crypto-loving friends, and most importantly, subscribe to Zacchy Crypto Update and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next crucial insights. Let me know in the comments, are you a Kaspa diamond hand? What are your thoughts on this trend? I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.